for this video, we are going to go over problem and resolution. Problem, when there's an obstacle or challenge or something doesn't go right for the character, okay? So, what does that look like for realistic fiction problems? Maybe someone needs a green marker and they misplaced it, right? Or maybe the character left their jacket outside during recess. Those are all problems that could actually happen, right? And then we have fictional problems, problems that wouldn't really happen to someone. And so I have two examples. So fictional problem would be my stapler came to life and said, hey, I'm not going to staple your papers anymore. That's not real. That's not going to happen. That is fake, okay? So that's the difference. Realistic fiction, problems that actually could really happen to someone, and then you have fictional problems would not happen. Totally made up, pretend, okay? Let's go ahead and look at these two pictures we have right here. Now I'll explain them. So this picture actually is from the movie Sunny with a Chance of Meatballs, okay? So this is a part in the movie, if you haven't seen it, where food starts falling from the sky. It's raining food, okay? In your mind, think, would that really happen? Is that a realistic fiction problem or a fictional problem? Realistic fiction problems actually could happen to someone. Fictional problems, no, they are made up, pretend it's not going to happen. So that's this picture. So to yourself, think, what kind of problem is that? And then this little picture right here is ice cream that fell and is starting to melt. Okay? So let's go ahead and look at this first picture real quick and figure out whether or not it belongs in realistic fiction problems or a fictional problem. Okay? So go ahead and take a moment and think, where does this picture belong? Realistic fiction problem or fictional problem? Remember, it's raining food. If you think realistic fiction, thumbs up. If you think fictional, thumbs down. What do you have? I hope you have a thumbs down. This is a fictional problem. It's not really going to happen, right? And then this right here, where the ice cream fell and now it's starting to melt, what do you think? Is that a realistic fiction problem or a fictional problem? Could it really happen? Or no, that's totally made up. That will not happen. Hope you have a thumbs up. It is a realistic fiction problem. All right, let's go ahead and look at the resolution and how we can solve the melted ice cream and the food falling from the sky. So resolution, how a problem, obstacle, or challenge for the character is solved, okay? Resolution also means solution. They mean the same thing, how the problem is fixed. So we have realistic fiction resolution and fictional resolution. So right here I have an ice cream cone. It's brand new. It's not melted. It's not on the ground. And right here, if you haven't seen that movie, Sunny with a Chance of Meatballs, this is a machine that stops the food falling from the sky. So let's place them in their correct box, where they belong, okay? So where do you think this ice cream cone belongs? Do you think this is a good solution for the melted ice cream, getting a new one? Does it belong with the realistic fiction resolution? Do you think that's where it belongs? Or the fictional resolution? I hope you have a thumbs up, because getting a new ice cream cone would be the solution, the resolution to the melted ice cream that had fallen. And then right here, the little machine that's going to magically stop the food from falling from the sky. Where is that going to go? Is that going to go with the realistic fiction resolution or the fictional resolution? How would this problem be resolved? Thumbs up for realistic fiction resolution or thumbs down for fictional resolution? I hope you have a thumbs down. This right here, the food falling from the sky, raining meatballs, is not going to happen. It's made up. So this machine is also made up, right? And that's how that problem is fixed, because it's all made up, right? Okay, so I hope you like this little review over problem and resolution, and I hope you have a good understanding of what a realistic fiction problem and resolution may look like, and what a fictional problem and resolution may look like. Remember, realistic fiction is stories that are made up but could actually happen in real life. All right, I hope you liked this little video.